If you haven't tried animation before, you probably don't realize just how much time it takes. And if you have, you get it. It can be hard to find the patience to work on one thing for so long. These tips should hopefully make your animation process seem to go by quicker and be much more fun. One thing I recommend is listening to music or a podcast. Animation takes a lot of thought, but it's the sort of thing that you can easily have something else going on and still be focused. Let your mind wander, and all of a sudden you'll have made so much progress that you didn't realize you could make. The more of a daydreamer you are, the easier time you will have. My second tip might actually be a bad idea, but I do it and I know others do it, so it's worth saying. You may get tired of repeating the same thing over and over again. For example, adding line art to your sketches. I might take a break from the line art and start working on the next step, probably adding color, with the frames where the line art is already complete. Then I will have part of my animation that is more complete than the other parts. The risk here is that you could end up having some inconsistencies, or have a harder time fixing and changing things. But honestly, just be careful and I'm sure you won't have any problems. My last advice is more of a statement. It's that you should have fun animating. You should never feel like it's a chore. It's a really exciting and rewarding art form. If you're doing everything I've already suggested and you still get impatient and annoyed and simply don't have fun creating animation, then it might just not be your thing. But I hope you have fun because animation is so cool and a really awesome skill to have. So long as you're passionate about the subject you are animating, I'm sure you'll have a good time. If not, take a break from it and try again later.